Iqoo Z3 5G launches internationally. India gets it first. The Vivo Iqoo Z3 5G has been official for over 2 months in China, and it now embarks on its trip around overseas markets. The first stop is India, where the phone was announced with an aggressive starting price of 19,990 Indian rupees, the equivalent of $275. This buys you a Snapdragon 768G with an advanced cooling system and 120Hz 6.58 LCD of Full HD Plus resolution. In India, the phone will be available in 3 memory combos: 128 to the gigabyte, 128 to the gigabyte, and 256 to the gigabyte. Other highlights include 55W fast charging and 64MP main camera with autofocus. Vivo Iqoo Z3 5G 2He Iqoo Z3 5G is offered in black or radiant colors and will start selling today, June 8th. There are some offers from the CC Bank and Amazon that can lower the price down to 17,490 Indian rupees, but this is only for the base variant. With more storage and RAM, the price goes up to 21,990 Indian rupees at most. That's around $300 per €250.